Alright, I'm gonna say it. I should have listened to my wife a couple of weeks ago, but today's vlog is drastic times, drastic measures, going into trading again, masks, and more. Yeah, just touch my face. Talk about masks. Don't touch your face. So I started coming around to the idea about when I read this Mark Cuban article. I'll link it in the blog. Basically, this section where he says experiment with new ideas, find other services to offer, and he's basically saying go to hustle mode and do whatever it takes. I also got into Wall Street Journal again. Amazon literally shut down the warehouse for new shipments except for whatever they deem as urgent or important. So it's just been crazy lately. It's right here. I know it's a paywall. I'll link it in the show notes too and put my quote, but that just happened literally the other day, March 17th at noon, New York time. That's the U.S. Embassy. I've been trying to call.
Please try again later.
This is what I'm getting. So I just talked to the consulate, U.S. in Cebu. They told me to get on an email list. They have an email list. I didn't know, not on the list. But I finally got through, and they're saying they can, and then they got me to the Department of Tourism, and they said I called the Department of Tourism, and they're trying to arrange a military plane, as there's no commercial flights in Cebu, to Clark or to Manila, and then from there I can get an international flight. So I asked them when. They don't promise me any time frame when they can get back to me, but that's the situation as of, been 24 hours since my flight got canceled. I'm still in this Expedia Airbnb thingy, and the guys asked me to extend. I'm just trying to figure out, do I go somewhere else or not, or stay here or what? Abdul Rahman, what's up, buddy?
Oh, not much, dude.
Yeah, we really just reconnected through a common friend, David, that you introduced me to. He saw me on WeChat, so he said, "You're in Cebu." Yeah. He's in Cebu, so we just met up, and he picked me up out of my Airbnb or wherever I was, and now we're going shopping for some food.
Shopping spree. Toilet paper?
Toilet paper. Let's stock up. Let's go crazy. Let's go crazy.
It is really.
It seems normal here though.
It is. Yesterday was more. I think because of the curfew, maybe.
Yeah.
So those are the tortillas.
Oh, tortillas.
Frozen tortillas.
Yeah. Okay, well, it's good to find a friend, and he's got a spare room, and he says I can stay there. And I was like deciding to rebook another night at that place, and the owner kept twice checked up on me to book, but no discounts, and just getting some shopping, and we'll go to his place. He says got good internet, and feel a little bit better, man. Wow. When things are crazy, they're crazy. The Grab driver's flat tire here. Unbelievable. Seriously, unbelievable day.
It is. It is.
The Grab gets a flat. On top of all the other stuff, stockpiling and virus stuff, but we'll get back soon.
We will.
All right. Better. Seems a bit better. Definitely a better place, and really fortunate to. Thank you, David, for connecting us. We connected we already connected about WeChat post about all my canned living, and then he's like, oh, Abdulaman is there, so he connected me to him, reconnected me, and I'm here. He's so kind. He has a spare room for me, and we'll still following up with the embassy and figuring out what to do next, but also we'll talk about the mask thing in a second. I think we're gonna wrap this vlog, and the point is, like, Mark Cuban's awesome, and he inspired a lot of people, and he's inspired me to kind of be creative during this crazy time, and so get back into the import-export game with the masks. We'll see next week's podcast will be Ivan about mask trading, and we'll be reopening. It's already there, shadstone-sourcing.com, and my wife's obviously in China and is in Chinese and has been helping, and she's been pushing me for weeks to get back in the trading game. So we're getting back in the game, but we're doing this, of course, there's a business opportunity, but I think it's also a way to help people around the world get supplies. We talked to my friend Chris about getting some hazmat suits to the Nevada area for a government and other crazy things like that. So I'll be working on that the next few weeks and continue to do the sourcing from there on. Keep an open mind, and as far as this whole virus thing, just hopefully you can do similar things. You can look for opportunities, be creative. And I'm really doing this also to keep the team busy, keep the team rolling. We just had that awesome retreat, and working hard to keep everybody on point. Stay safe, stay strong, and keep on moving. And Alvin says I need a tagline, or an LJ too at the retreat. So make it happen. I like that. Make it happen.